Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways you can automate your work using AI. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone who wants to save time, this video is for you. So let's jump right into it. Let's start with something we all deal with: emails. Writing and replying to emails can eat up hours of your day. But now, with tools like Gmail Smart Compose, ChatGPT, and Flowrite AI, can write and reply to emails for you. Let's give it a little context. And boom, you've got a full professional email ready to send. And if you want to take it even further, tools like Zapier or Make.com can help you automatically reply to certain emails, move files, or even send updates to your team. Less inbox stress, more time saved. Next up, social media. If you're managing a brand or personal account, you know it takes time. But AI tools like Okoya, Buffer AI Assistant, or Lately, AI can do the heavy lifting. They can write captions, generate hashtags, schedule posts, and even analyze performance, all automatically. It's like having your own personal social media manager that works 24/7. Okay, let's talk admin work. Things like filling out spreadsheets, copying data, or updating reports. It's time-consuming and boring. That's where AI tools like Opath, Microsoft Power Automate, or Notion AI come in. They can extract data from emails, fill out forms, generate reports, and even connect different platforms to update everything in real time. It's like hiring a robot assistant without the salary. If you're a content creator, writer, or marketer, this one's for you. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic can help you brainstorm, outline, and even write full blog posts, product descriptions, or video scripts like this one. You can also use AI for designing graphics. Tools like Canva Magic Design or Adobe Firefly let you create catching visuals in seconds, using just text prompts. So whether you're writing or designing, AI has your back. And finally, let's talk about meetings. If you hate taking notes, AI's got you covered. With tools like Otter AI, Fireflies AI, or even Notion, you can record your meetings, get real-time transcriptions, and receive AI-generated summaries. You will never forget action items or key points again, and you can stay fully focused in the meeting while AI takes care of the rest. So there you have it, -5 smart ways to automate your work using AI. From emails to content, data to meetings. There's no limit to what you can automate. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try out. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more AI productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.